Hello my dear students, I welcome you all to the math class. Hope you all are fine and hope you all are staying safely at your home. So let us see what we are going to do in today's class. So in today's class we will be doing chapter 2 from Math Magic, Fun with Numbers. The name of the chapter is Fun with Numbers. Okay. So the chapter starts in page number 13. So the first page of the chapter is page number 13. So we will do page number 13 to 17 in today's class. So let us see what we are going to do in today's class. So in page number 13, we will do fill in the blanks by looking at the situation. How many stones were collected by different children? Okay, so this is in page number 13. So in page number 13, we will do dot games. We will play dot game. We will guess the number of dots and we will put the circle in certain or around certain dots and we will count the dots. Okay, so this game you can play with your family also at home. So next page number 15, that is Dhoni's century, in which we will see which player have scored more. Now page number 36, you all have done page number 36 sums in maths tape and mental maths also. You just have to write the numbers in figure and number in words. Okay, we will start from 99 to 206. What you have to do here? You have to write the number in figures. If number names are given, you have to write the number in figures, and if number in figures are given, you have to write the number in words. So this you have to do in page number 16. Now this is the last page we will be doing today. Different top 10 scores in Cricket World Cup. So the name of the different cricket players are given, cricketers are given, and their scores are given in another column. So what you will do, you will see the scores and the name of the players, and after that we will write the given fill in the blanks, or you can say question answer. So we will do page number 13 to 17 in today's class. So let us proceed to our class. So children, this is chapter 2 from your book Math Magic. So it starts with page number 13. Okay. So let us write today's date. Today's date is 27th of April 2021. So in the first page you can see that different children have collected different number of seeds. So based on this picture we will do the question answers given below. Not question answer, actually fill in the blanks given below. Okay, so the name of the children is Radhika, Gauri, Vicky, Indra and Sunil were collecting imli, that is tamarind seeds. They are collecting tamarind seeds. So Das collected the most seeds. So who collected the most seeds? Let us see. Yes, I got 54 seeds here, 38, 47, 24 and 42. Yes, so Indra got 54 seeds. So Indra collected the most seeds. So here you will write Indra, I-N-D-R-A, Indra. So next, Sunil will collect dash more seeds to be equal to Vicky. So let us see how many seeds Sunil has collected and how many seeds Vicky has collected. So Sunil has collected 38 seeds and Vicky has collected 42 seeds. So Sunil have to collect how many more seeds? You can minus 42 minus 38, that will be 4. So Sunil will collect how many more seeds? Because he is having 38. Yes, Sunil will collect 4 more seeds. So you can write FOUR 4, otherwise you can write number also. So if Radhika gets 6 more seeds, she will have dash. So how many seeds Radhika has? Radhika has got 24 seats. So if Radhika has 6 more seats, she will have. So Radhika has 24 seats. So she will have 24 plus 6 equals to 30 seats. So she will have 30. So how many children have more than 40 seats? Let's see in the picture how many children have more than 40 seats. So Gauri has more than 40 seats, Vicky and Indra. Yes. So how many children are there? There are 3 children who have more than 40 seats. So children, you will do this and this by your own. So next is page number 14, children. So the name of the topic is dot game. Guess the number of dots in the circle. Now count and check your guess. Play this game with your friends by making circles. See who can guess best. So you can play this game by guessing the number in the circle, by circling the dots. Okay. For example, first you guess if I am circling this dot. Okay, now I am guessing the dots present here are 11 dots. So let me count first. I am guessing 11. So let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I have guessed it correctly. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I have guessed 11 dots, and here is it, there are 11 dots. Okay, so in this way you can guess the dots here. First you put a circle. You can play this game with your family. Now I am guessing that here are 12 dots. So let me count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Here also I have guessed it correctly. So there are 12 dots. So in this way you first put a circle, and you and your mother or your brother, sister, anyone, both of you guess the number of dots, and after that you can count the dots. In this way you can do, or you can play this game. Okay. This is page number 15. Dhoni's century. One day match between India and South Africa in Guwahati. India batting first. So India is batting first. So Dhoni on 96, only one ball left. Will he complete his century? And look at this, what a marvelous six. So here commentator of cricketer is announcing that Dhoni is in 96 and he only one ball is left, and will he complete his century? And look at this, what a marvelous six. So Dhoni has hit 6 and he has completed 100, I guess. Yes. So has he completed his century? A girl is asking, has he completed his century? So let us see if Dhoni has completed the century or not. So 96 plus 6. So all total 6 plus 6, 12. 9 plus 1 left here is 102 runs. So you know that 100 runs make century. So yes, Dhoni has made century. How many runs do this player need to complete a century? Now let us see. Player 1, his run is 93. Runs needed to complete a century. What you can do? You can minus 100. Sorry, you can minus 93 from 100. That will be how many runs in it? He runs 7 runs. So player 2, 97. So we will subtract 97 from 100. So he needs 3 runs. So in this way you will do for 89. You will subtract 89 from 100. So the run that player 3 needs is 11 run. And what about 99? You will do it by yourself. Okay, 100 minus 99, that the answer you will get is 1. So you try it yourself. So children, this is page number 16 from chapter 2. So after 99, we know that 99 is the last or the greatest 2-digit number. After that 3-digit number starts: 100, 101 and 102. Yes. So in this way different numbers are given, number in words and number in figures from 99 to 206. The number, if the numbers are given in number in figures, you will write in number in words. Okay, so if the number in words are given, number names are given, so you have to write the number in figures. So 99, here number in words NINETY, NINE 99. After that 100 starts. So 102, we know that this is 102. So how we will write? ONE 102, 102. Next 105, 105. Number name is given, so we will write number in figure 105. Now next 107. Yes, this is 107. So what we will write? We will write 107. This is 108. 108. 110, 111. Now 112. This is 3-digit number, so 1, 1, 2. So this side I have done for you. So this column you will do it yourself. Okay, it is easy. 190, and you have to write the number in figures. Here after 201, okay, let me do this. 201, what comes after 201? What is the successor of 201? 202. So you will write 202. You will write 202. Then after 203, you can see 204. So you will write number in figures 206. Here you will write the number name. So hope this is clear to you people, right? So let us proceed to another page. So this is page number 17 from your Math Magic book. Top 10 scores in the Cricket World Cup. Okay. So player, the name of a player and score is given. APJ 128, AS 100, CK 99, DM 162, KSP 152, MD 178, PK 105, ST 141, TPK 112, VVS 127. So the name of a player and their scores are given. Now looking at this score chart, you have to fill the blanks. Okay, so CK just missed his century. How many runs did he need to make a century? So CK is the player who missed his century. So see, CK has scored 99. So how many runs does it need? He needs 100 minus 99. That is, he needs only 1 run. So you will write 100 minus 99, 1 run. Dash and Dash scored almost equal run. So let us see who has scored almost equal run. So you can see CK has scored 99, AS has scored 100, right? So CK and AS, they have scored almost equal runs. So you will write CK and AS. CK and AS. Next, Dash scored a complete century, no less, no more. So century means, yes, century means 100. So you know that AS has scored 100. So I will write my answer. Who has scored a complete century, no less, no more? AS, because he has scored 100 runs. 100 runs makes 1 century. Children, you know that. Most runs scored by any batsman are, so who has scored most run? The most run has scored by MD 178. So you will write the name of MD here. So please write MD. Dash and Dash have a difference of just 1 run between them. Dash scored 2 runs more than 1.5 century. So 1.5 century means 1 century means 100. Yes, and half century means 50. So 150. Yes, so more than means someone has scored 152. Now let us see who has scored more than 152 runs here. Yes, KSP has scored 152. So the last answer is KSP. This one you will do it by yourself. Okay, you will do it by yourself. So we will do till here in today's class. Okay children, thank you everyone. Hope you all understood whatever I have taught in today's class. If there is any problem, you can contact me. Okay, so thank you children. See you in the next class. Thank you.